We're at Top Notch Hamburgers here in Austin, Texas, a iconic place. If you've seen Dazed and Confused, you know who used to hang out here himself. All right, all right, all right.
All right, so it's VW night at Top Notch Hamburgers.
Oh, we're excited. We're going to roll down to the classic hamburger joint at Top Notch.
So come along, let's have some fun. Let's go.
Let's do it. Gary here with VW Life. We're at Top Notch Hamburgers here in Austin, Texas, a iconic place. If you've seen Dazed and Confused, you know who used to hang out here himself. All right. Mr. Wooderson, Mr. McConaughey. I'm here today with Mark Wisman, a long-time Volkswagen air cooler. One of the, man, Mark, how long you been at this game, buddy?
I don't know, about 3 months less than you. I don't know. I think we started doing this in 2001. I live in a neighborhood where you've got to get rid of cars occasionally because neighbors complain. So I had to give Gary a notchback to hold for a while, and it worked out well. And then I got it back, and now it's, I drove it out here. It actually runs.
Well, I'm just really glad to see that it doesn't have a gas can sitting on top with a gravity feed. I remember when you were driving it like that for a while.
Oh yeah, that works really good.
So what's the story on this? How did this thing come into your life?
Yeah, well, so Notchback it was the early Type 3s were, the first one was made in 61. This is a 63. This is considered the second revision of the Notch. And I got it from the son of the original owner. It was originally purchased in France, and
by VW.
yeah, the motor in it right now has it's a 1500, and it has about 1500 miles on it after the rebuild by Volkswagen of America, which when I got the car, the plates on it were 1989 plates. So that's roughly, when the car came back to Texas, and it was rebuilt by VW of America. And, everything on the car was original when I got it. Of course, there's some rust issues. The front seats have been recovered, but otherwise it was all original. I flat blacked it and put a stripe on it and threw a roof rack on it, and a little bit of other work, changed the wheels out. Of course, it's lowered, and the fact that it's lowered, it's a swing axle, so there's no clearance in the back end on a Type 3 for the wheels to tuck. So, when you lower it and put 5.5-inch rims on there, you got about a 16th inch of clearance, so you can cut up some tires. But it's made it out to a couple car shows that are, out of town and stuff, so it's roadworthy.
Well, Mark, it's just an iconic car for you. I mean, when we see this come to one of our gatherings, we always know Mark and Axel are rolling up, and it always puts a smile on everybody's face. And hey, Mark, man, it's just it's great to see you and have you and Axel out and have the Notch, and just thanks so much for talking to us tonight, man.
Yeah, it's been great, man. Thanks for talking to me about it.
Appreciate it. All right, VW Lifers, there it is, Mark Wisman and the famous Notchback with the red stripe. You guys, as always, make sure you like and subscribe and share with as many people as you can, and make some comments. We always like hearing what everybody out there has to say. Thank y'all.
All right, everybody, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of VW Life. Later.